ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृति भी देवे सदा वंदिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेष जाड्या पहा।
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
निकले हैं जुनून लेके घर से, आंखें में आएंगे डर से, आंखें में लाएंगे डर से, गुजरेंगे मुश्किलों के मोहल्ले से, निकले हैं जुनून लेके घर से, आंखें में लाएंगे डर से। सबके नजर से बेखौफ बारिश, कुछ फैसलों का मौसम है आया, सांसों ने मुझको जीने का मतलब समझाया। धरती धरती रात उड़ गई, रोशन रोशन सुबह हो गई।
डर तेरी ऐसे कम तैसे कम, डर तेरा टाइम खत्म,
अपनी दुनिया खिलखिलाती जिसमें है अपनी खुशियाँ, चांद की छलने लिए तारे चुनते हैं हम, जादुई है ये जहां, है नहीं कोई गम। बंदे हैं हम उसके, हम पे किसका जोर, उम्मीदों के सूरज निकले चारों ओर, इरादे हैं फौलादी, हिम्मती हर कदम, अपने हाथों किस्मत लिखने आज चले हैं हम। आसमां की छत पे है अपनी दुनिया, खिलखिलाती जिसमें है अपनी खुशियाँ, सूरज की पलकों तले धूप बनते हैं हम, जादुई है ये जहां, है नहीं कोई गम। बंदे हैं हम उसके, हम पे किसका जोर, उम्मीदों के सूरज निकले चारों ओर, इरादे हैं फौलादी, हिम्मती हर कदम, अपने हाथों किस्मत लिखने आज चले हैं हम।
मैं तुझ में रहूंगा जिंदा, तोड़ के सब जंजीरें मैं आजाद परिंदा।
Hello everyone, welcome to Gurukul College of Commerce. Myself, Miss Ayushi Mainkar from TY BAF. Hope you all are doing well and are safe at your home. As you all are going to spend your 3 golden years in our college, it's important for you all to know about our trust. Our trust, Mumbai Pradesh Arya Vidya Sabha, is very supportive and cooperative. Our trust conferred the status of a Gujarati linguistic minority institution by the Government of Maharashtra, India. It is more than 100-year-old trust and currently running 17 educational institutions. This management is committed to ethics by rejecting system of donation or capitation fee for admission. Education is the only thing that people cannot take away from you. College is our second home, so it is important for you all to know about our college. Our college had its roots established in July 2001, affiliated to the University of Mumbai, accredited by NAC with B grade. Our college is dedicated to traditional values with modern needs to compete with the global challenges. The aim of our college is to develop skilled employable commerce graduates and entrepreneurs. Every college has its foundation based on the vision, mission, objective, and its quality policy. Now, let's go through the vision of our college. The vision is to impart quality education with the commitment to shape career path of learners and inculcate cultural values in such a manner that there is holistic growth of the individual learner in particular and the society at large. The mission of our college is to emerge as one of the best college in the central suburbs of Mumbai for studies in commerce stream through value-based quality education and preparing learners towards nation building. The objectives of our college are to inculcate basic human values, discipline, and sincerity amongst the students, to provide wide opportunities to students and staff for their holistic growth, to develop skilled employable commerce graduates and entrepreneurs, to promote Indian culture and tradition through education. The quality policy of our college is to make available adequate ICT, physical and academic infrastructure, and human resource to provide quality education and opportunities for holistic growth to the learners at an affordable cost. The programs offered in our college are Bachelors of Commerce BCom, Bachelors of Commerce Accounting and Finance BAF, Bachelors of Commerce Banking and Insurance BBI, Bachelors of Management Studies BMS, MCom Advanced Accountancy, MCom Business Management. The strength of our college is over 2,000 students. Now, as we all know that success isn't measured by money or power, but success is measured by our discipline and inner peace. Apart from this pandemic, our college runs online lecture very smoothly. Following are the online teaching disciplinary rules and regulations which you all must have to follow. First, students have to log in 5 minutes prior to the lecture. Login details will be sent on your WhatsApp group. Wearing of decent dress is mandatory. Audio will be off, but video will be on. Please be seated in one place and avoid unnecessary background disturbances. No student will be sharing screen. No chatting in the chat box is allowed. Attendance will be auto-recorded. Keep a pen and paper or a book for making notes. Doubts will be solved in the last 10 minutes. Disciplinary action will be taken against students found disturbing the class. Our college also conducts add-on certificate courses at TY level, SY level and FY level. For TY level, we have Investment Management, Capital Market, Tally ERP, Creative and Corporate Communication, Campus to Corporate. For SY level, we have Advanced Excel and Percy Portun, Digital Marketing, Retail Marketing, E-Commerce. For FY level, we have Personality Development, Conversational English, Yoga, Values and Ethics, Travel and Tourism. Let me introduce you all to our team GCC. You will be spending your 3 precious years under their guidance. We have with us our captain of our ship, our principal ma'am Dr. Nandita Roy, and our vice captain of our ship, Vice Principal Ma'am Miss Janvi Rao. Let me introduce you all to the HOD and the faculty in charges. For Department of Commerce and Allied Subjects, Miss Janvi Rao, Vice Principal and HOD, and the faculty in charges are Dr. Kajal Chheda, Add-on Coordinator, Dr. Piyush Anam, Placement Officer, Miss Radha Nitin, Convener of Women Development Cell, Dr. Upendra Tiwari, Miss Sunita Pujari, Miss Kanchan Lotle, NSS Program Officer, Mr. Somil Deliwala, Miss Lucy Gosar. For Department of Accountancy, we have Dr. Asif Beg, HOD and MCom Advanced Accountancy Coordinator, and the faculty in charges are Dr. Hemal Vora, MCom Business Management Coordinator, Dr. Vijaya Bharti Jain, Mr. Zainuddin Khan.
Department of Economics, Dr. A. Mahesh Kumar, Director of Sports and Physical Education, Ms. Anagha Kulkarni, and our librarian, Mr. Sagar Salgaonkar.
For Department of Self-Financing Programs, BAF, BBI and BMS, we have Dr. Preeti Ghag, Coordinator, Miss Kripa Thakkar, BAF in charge, Mr. Rajendra Vare, DBI in charge and NSS Program Officer, Dr. Mamta Rane, DLLE Coordinator, Miss Chetna Panchal, Mr. Rishikesh Zavarkar, Miss Sonali Devadika, Miss Satyavati Rao. In Administration Department, Miss Nandita Patil, Head Clerk, Mr. Ajay Rakshe, Senior Clerk, Miss Meenal Vanzre, Senior Clerk, Miss Shraddha Naik, Miss Meeta Chheda, Miss Amrita Singh. And our support staff, Mr. Ashok Jhende, Mr. Praveen Vaidande, Mr. Vishwanath Kamte, Miss Archana Avhad, Mr. Mukesh Sharma, and Mr. Rajesh. Our college conducts various activities and comprises of committees for the students so that they get an opportunity to showcase their talents. Various platforms for students are Student Council, Cultural Committee, Sports Committee, NSS, DLLE, WDC. Our college also conducts expert lectures and we have industrial visits every year. We also have a placement cell in our college where the students get an opportunity to get jobs in reputed companies like ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, Coppergate, Tata Consultancy Services, Hitachi Inspire the Next, Bajaj Finance and many more. So, the students do not have to worry to search for their jobs after graduation. In our college, more than 100 students are employed every year. These are the highlights of our college. Our college has participated in various levels of competitions such as international level, university level, district level, zonal level, intercollegiate level. Our college has its fest called Flame. So we also have a special student support. Now what is a special student support? In that we have a doctor on call where students can contact if any injury is caused or if there is any medical emergency. We also have in-house campus counselor where students can go for personal counseling. We also have book bank facility for economically weak students where textbooks are given free of cost. And we also have a nursing room. So let's together achieve a new milestone with the conviction that together we can and together we will. Good luck to one and all. Go for it. The door has opened for a new beginning in your life. Welcome the opportunity with a big smile. Set your goals and achieve success. We are here to help you and guide the path. But success depends on you and you alone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yash, the proud and confident president of Gurukul College of Commerce. I am here before you today with lots of emotions. Exactly 3 years before, I was sitting at your place with lots of hopes, aspirations and willpower. And what I am today in front of you all. It is said that success does not come and find you. You have to go out and find out your success. And here is where my journey of success begins. I joined college when I go out, I will be very much confident and motivated guy. At Gurukul College of Commerce, as what I am today, as myself, I have developed myself. I have not only good with my academics, but I have also improved my personality development, living myself, push my limits, experience life, and confident, and to be happy. It is said that a teacher takes your hand, opens the mind and touches your heart. It is said that teacher takes your hand, opens your mind and touches the heart. And my teacher and my guide for life. They have trained me. It's a hardship of the life. And along with my academics, I have developed my academics along with my personality development. दोस्तों जिंदगी जीने का नाम है या स्टडीज तो इम्पोर्टेंट है ही, बट ये मजा तो कुछ और ये मजा मुझे सिर्फ स्टूडेंट काउंसिल ने दिया. If you really wish to make your life a college life a memorable one and a cherished one, so kindly join a various types of committees like NSS, WDC and Student Council and every one of them. Because what you learn today and what you are going to take back from the college is the things which you have learned. Learn from the various committees and your friends which you are going to be there. And you are going to develop your personality. दोस्तों आखिर में सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगा, जिंदगी की कलम खुद के हाथों में है, जिंदगी की कलम खुद के हाथों में है, खुद की किस्मत खुद लिखो, खुद की किस्मत खुद लिखो।
Hello everyone. I hope you all are well, staying safe and healthy at your place. Myself Neha Ramakan Gupta. Today I am here in front of you presenting myself as the face of our college. When I came to Gurukul, I totally changed myself. I got so much of confidence, my personality and thinking level changed. I got opportunity as an NSS leader where I changed my attitudes toward the society. I got chance to help others and do service. I have done so many events and activities successfully. From that, I have learned so much and it was learn and fun. Apart from NSS, we also do cultural activities. We have daily committee, sports committee, WDC committee for self-defense of women, nature club committee and many more committees. It leads to overall development of students. Apart from studies, we also get chance to work with other committees and that is best and good experience for us. We learn so many things. After becoming a leader, I got leadership quality and I have got interest in doing so many works. I am very proud to be a student of Gurukul. Thank you.
Welcome to Gurukul College of Commerce. On behalf of Mumbai Pradesh Arya Vidya Sabha's Gurukul College of Commerce, I, Ms. Janvi Rao, Vice Principal of this institution, wholeheartedly welcome the freshers of first year academic year 2021. So what made you choose Gurukul College of Commerce and what do we give you? We do not only provide you quality education with knowledge, but we as an institution try to provide a platform, a plethora of opportunities to all of you where you can display your talents, your activities. We ensure that all our students come up in some or the other fields ranging from cultural to social service. We provide opportunities not only at the college level, but students have represented our institution at the university, national and even international levels. इससे फायदा सिर्फ हमारा नहीं है. What we try to do is 3 साल के बाद, after your 3 years of graduation, we can find a total transformation of what you were in the first year and what you have become after the third year. Once you clear your TY, what we want to also offer you is not only employment opportunities, but we also provide you with certain courses that will give you entrepreneurship opportunities. So we focus on employability as well as entrepreneurship development. Apart from all this, what is most vibrant about our institution is the super combination of the competent teaching faculty, the supportive non-teaching staff, and of course you all, that is the enthusiastic students. ये तीनों का combination is going to create wonders for all of you, and then there is no looking back. So dear students, with this I sign off saying that change is inevitable. बदलाव ही संसार का नियम है और हमने with COVID-19 ये चीज तो सीख लिया है कि टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ ही हमें आगे बढ़ना है. We will learn and learn. All the best to all of you, and once again welcome to Gurukul College of Commerce.
Good morning, class of 2020-21. On behalf of the management, the teaching and non-teaching staff of Gurukul College of Commerce, it is my proud privilege to welcome you to the college family. It is a new day for us when you are meeting us here online instead of in the college auditorium. Every new beginning starts in a novel manner, and this year, thanks to COVID-19, everything is going to be online. Technology has changed the whole scenario together, and we have to take all this in a very positive way. Our teachers have risen to the challenge and have already, for our older students, they have started conducting classes online. For you also, every class, every subject is going to be online. Not only academics but even extracurricular activities is going to be online till higher authorities gauge the situation and permit us to resume our lives in the normal previous manner. And so it is that while welcoming you here to the college, I would like to remind you that you come here, you are stepping into the Gurukul College with huge big responsibilities on your shoulder. On you depends the responsibility of the college banner flying high. You have to choose to be better achievers than you have been before. You can choose to be better citizens when finally one day you will walk out of the college gates not as students of Gurukul but as alumni of Gurukul. And therefore, again on behalf of all of us here, I need to wish you the very best in all your endeavors in your future career, apart from, of course, welcoming you here with an open heart, because not only just 3 years of your graduation, but also an extra 2 years of our post-graduation, we expect to be interacting with each other and being with each other, supporting each other. So, welcome again to our college. Thank you.
A warm and graceful morning to all my dear students. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this online Freshers Orientation program. I, Dr. Preeti Gang, on behalf of Cultural Committee, first of all, extend my most sincere thanks to our management, Mumbai Pradesh Arya Vidya Sabha, for their kind support. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our Honorary Secretary, Sri Raj Prakash Kamda, for always standing with us as a pillar of strength. I would like to express our deep gratitude to the Principal, Dr. Nandita Roy, and Vice Principal, Ma'am, Ms. Janvi Rao, for their presence in this orientation program and guiding and motivating the students with the words of wisdom. A big thank you to my cultural committee members, teaching and non-teaching staff for their enormous cooperation to make this event successful. I would also like to thank the students coordinator who worked behind the scene to make this event successfully happen. Last but not the least, a big thank you to my FY students who made this online Freshers Meet memorable for all of us. Thank you so much for attending this program. Now I request all the students to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे